Leg weave. The leg weave is similar to the weave pole obstacle used in the sport of dog agility. We're going to use treats to guide our dog through the action, and eventually he'll understand what we want. Consistency is the key to success with this trick, so you're going to want to practice on your own before involving your dog. Start with treats in both hands, and start with your dog on your left side. You're going to take a big step with your right foot, drop your right hand straight down between your legs, and lure your dog through. Then take a step with your left foot, left hand straight down, lure your dog through. Okay, let's try it with Caesar. Again, I'm going to start with treats in both hands, and the dog is going to start on my left side. I'm going to take a big step with my right foot, drop my right hand straight down, lure the dog through. Very good. Left foot, left hand, lure him through. Right foot, right hand, left foot, left hand. Very good. As your dog gets better, you can start to up the ante and require him to do 2 or 3 weaves before giving him the treat. Can you go weave, 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 and a treat? I'm still using my hand to guide him through every time, but eventually as your dog gets better, you won't need any guide at all and your dog will be weaving on his own. Let's recap this trick. Start with your dog on your left side. Take a big step with your right foot and use your right hand to lure your dog through. Then take a step with your left foot and use your left hand to lure him through. As your dog improves, have him do several weaves in a row before giving him a treat. Now that's a trick!